Let us to introduce a fully automatic processing line designed and built by Frau Group for the production of fermented dairy product long shelf life. This plant handles up to 20 tons per hour and it's designed to reduce human error, minimize contamination risk, and extend the shelf life of the final product. The line produces a wide range of fermented dairy products, as well as drinking milk, including kefir, yogurt with fruits and flavors, drinking yogurt, Greek yogurt, bifidus yogurt, pasteurized cream, sour cream, kaimak, etc. At the core of the system, we have two pasteurization units with a cooling device, with integrated cream separator, automatic standardizer, deodorization, homogenization, and cream pumping. These units can operate independently, in parallel, or together, providing full flexibility to serve different production departments. To ensure microbiological safety fermented product, the line included longer holding section, while an additional heating group at the outlet allow precise control of output temperature depending on the recipe. The cream section included a fully automatic tubular pasteurizer with homogenized and heat recovery system. It can process cream up to 45% fat. The specially designed mixer in the cream tank prevent foaming, preserving texture and quality. The heart of the line is the fermentation section. 8 ultra-clean tanks equipped with sterile air preparation, individual valves combs for separate management, filling, storage, empty washing, and frame mixer with a frequency inverter for delicate curd handling. Each tank features cooling and heating jacket. A specialized cooler with viscous product plates allow for immediate interruption of fermentation when required, guaranteeing top-tier organoleptic quality and shelf life. To maintain sterility, 4 Laminar cabinets enable the addition of enzymes and actives under aseptic conditions. The entire line is supported by a fully automatic 4-route CIP washing system, with a dedicated hot water tank and inline dosing of disinfectants, ensuring maximum hygiene and operational efficiency. Each section features an intuitive touch panel for easy control and monitoring. Everything is managed from a single SCADA console and MCC panel control, using large monitors that give operation, full control, and real-time diagnostic of entire process. Thank you for watching. For more solutions, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.